If you want more people to consume your video content on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, then keep watching this video because I'm about to give you the perfect formula for creating videos. At the end of this, you'll know the exact way to outline your videos to get more views, engagement, followers, and overall people taking action after watching your videos. This formula that I'm about to show you is the exact same one that I use for my YouTube videos, which get about a 77% view-through rate on average when I run them as skippable YouTube video ads. Before we jump into it, I just want to invite you to join the Free Boss community by liking this video, giving it a thumbs up if it brings you value and it helps you. Subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell icon if you want to see more content just like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to reply to your comments. Follow me on Instagram by searching the number 1 Ian Smith. I'm constantly posting videos to my stories. And then watch this video at 2x speeds because I cover a lot of information and you can quickly speed right through it all if you watch it at 2x speeds. And lastly, I want to invite you to join my free digital marketing course. It's called the Free Boss Lifestyle course. And in this course, you're going to get a free Messenger bot mini chat template. You're going to get 2 free templates for ClickFunnels. One is a sales funnel, one is a lead gen funnel. I'm going to give you a 25% off promo code to get any templates inside our mini chat template store. And then we've got a ton of free videos and information teaching you how to run Facebook ads, build messenger bots, build sales funnels and ClickFunnels, write sales copy. A ton of information is in this 100% free digital marketing course. And to get access to this course, just go over to freebosslifestyle.com either right now or after this video to get access to this digital marketing course. All right, so the first step in the formula is a pattern interrupt. Now this is just for the first couple seconds, and really the goal is to stop their scrolling or to prevent them from skipping. If this is a YouTube video ad, you're really trying to do something unordinary to grab their attention. This could be something like waving. You could do some fast movement like panning your camera. You could be walking with your camera so it shows like crazy stuff happening. You can have a weird camera angle. You can have fire. Anything that's unordinary and crazy that's gonna grab their attention and really just break the pattern of the content that they usually see as they scroll. That's the whole goal of this first couple seconds with this pattern interrupt. Now, right after the pattern interrupt, you got the hook. And what you need to remember is this little acronym called HOT. HOT is hook, outcome, testimonial. So hook is where you want to grab their attention. You want to say something intriguing that's going to pique their curiosity and make them feel like they're in the right place. You're kind of qualifying your audience and you're kind of making them feel like they're watching the right video that they need to be watching. So here are a couple of examples of some good hooks. If you run a Shopify business and you struggle to convert your traffic into customers, then keep watching this video because I'm about to give you all the secrets. If you're an entrepreneur and you want to learn XYZ, then stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. So again, you want to call them out, qualify them, and then tell them what you're about to cover in the video. Now the next part is outcome, and that's the O in the word hot. Now in this part, you're going to go more in depth, giving them more information on what they're going to learn from this video. You're summarizing briefly what they're expecting to learn and what you're going to cover in the video. So an example of this would be, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a Facebook ad that will get people into your messenger bot. The next part is testimonial, and obviously that's the T in the acronym HOT. So in this part, you want to really give them a lot of social proof, a case study, or just proof in general that what you're about to teach them actually works. You're giving them a little hint into the results that they can expect from what you're about to teach them. So you can either show them a screenshot of something you've experienced firsthand with your business or some results that your client got that you helped them get. Now this step is a great way to build that credibility and trust so that they look to you as an authoritative figure so that they actually believe that what you're about to teach them will work for them. Next, you want to ask for engagement. Now this is really going to help you get more views and get your video higher in the search results. So you want to ask them to answer a question in the comments below or tell them to type a certain keyword if they made it to a certain part of the video that you have. You want to tell them to like or to dislike your video because that's engagement as well. Even if they dislike your video, you're still getting engagement and that's going to help you in the search results. And lastly, you want to have them subscribe or follow your social platform, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever it is. You want to get them to actually attach on so that they can get updates for future pieces of content that you post. Now this is a great great thing to do whether you're running an ad or an organic piece of content, because if you're getting engagement on your ads, that tends to increase the performance of your ads, especially on Facebook and Instagram. Next is the body content. Now this is what they actually came to watch your video for. This is the meat, this is the main course, right? So you really want to over deliver on the information that you give them. You want to give them bonuses and really give them as much detail and go as in-depth as possible to really make your video as valuable and as helpful as possible. So this means researching and pre-planning your video content. It means being concise and to the point so that they get the information as easy as possible. And really what I've found with this is to have text graphics or something that they can kind of read and see. So you want to keep it engaging, right? So that's the reason why I actually have my video here in this screen, and I also have words on this screen so that you can read those words, maybe take those notes, maybe your brain will register it a little bit better when you're reading those words, as well as me verbally telling you. You know, people are different types of learners, and if you can check off those different boxes of them learning visually and them learning auditorily, then they're gonna retain your content better, and your content is gonna be more valuable and more helpful for them. Now this one is probably the most important part, is to have call to actions. Whether your call to action is just to like the page or follow you on social media, or it's even more important like driving them to a specific website to get them to opt into something, opt into your webinar, your free PDF download, whatever it is, you wanna have your call to actions in there. I recommend having a call to action where it's them getting something for free, because it's a lot easier to incentivize someone to take action when you're giving them something for free, rather than just telling them, hey, go over there and check out my website, or go shop my products. You know, if you say, go shop my products and get a free 25% off promo code or 50% off promo code, or I'm running a massive deal and you're gonna save 50% by going to my website and shopping right now, there's more incentive there. So when you have a call to action, try to think, how can I incentivize them a lot more with this call to action? And lastly, you gotta end the video at some point, right? So what I would say is have a nice summary of all the key takeaways that you covered in that video. Really summarize it all nice and neat for them. Ask them again for engagement, for those likes, comments, subscribes, follows, all that kind of stuff. Again, that's gonna really help your search rankings. Remind them again of your call to action or your free offer that you want them to go visit your website or do XYZ, jump into your messenger bot or something. Remind them again at the very end. Maybe also tell them to check out your other videos. So on YouTube, you can have those cards. If it's Facebook or Instagram, you can just verbally tell them, hey, go look at my other content. Single out one specific piece of content and say, hey, if you liked this video, I created a video just like this one a couple days ago. Go look in my videos, or link to it or something, make it easy for them to find. And that will get them consuming more of your content, binge watching your other videos, building that relationship with you, building up that trust, credibility, and familiarity that you really need in order to get them to take massive action and make a purchase with you. But that is how you wrap up the video. So I hope this video was massively helpful for you. So again, I want to invite you to join the Free Boss community by liking this video or disliking it if you didn't really like it. But if you liked it and it brought you value and you learned something new, hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or have anything to add to this, and I'll reply to your comments. I reply to every single comment. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon if you want to see more content just like this. And also be sure to go find me on Instagram and follow me there. Just search the number 1 Ian Smith and go find me on Instagram, and let's chat it up in the DMs. If you haven't yet gotten access to my free digital marketing course, then head over to freebosslifestyle.com right now. Again, you're gonna get a free messenger bot mini chat template. You're gonna get 2 free ClickFunnels templates. One's a complete sales funnel and the other one is a lead gen funnel. And then there is a whole lot of content in there teaching you Facebook ads, messenger bots, how to run sales funnels online, how to write sales copy. A lot of free high value information is in the course, so go to freebosslifestyle.com to check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.